back with another commission in today's color palette in order that the colors will be poured, probably. The Crazy White, which is a mix of Satin Enamels and Artist Loft. I have my same bluish mixed color that I've been using recently. Some leftover of that magenta-ish color that I created last time. I would like a round of applause for the new addition here, this freaking gorgeous orange. Very excited about that. I have some gold and some black for on top. Now I have an idea. I'm still experimenting with this one puddle split thingy, so let's see how it goes today. Okay, so the white mixture is going on first. This is the biggest reacting preparation of the painting. Instead of making a round puddle, I'm sort of planning it out already, stretched out. Now that's a lot. I've been saying 10 to 1 ratio or like whatever, but I swear to God, you guys, I have never eyeballed this white mix more than I did today. I just put Satin Enamels in the bottom and then more Artist Loft in it mixed, and I'm just rolling with that. Okay, now the important color, this bluish one. I can already see the ring, the reaction. Cells are forming already. Okay, it's the first time it does this. That means I put a ton of white underneath, way more than usual. Yay for the orange, my second favorite color. The gold. Oh my God, this is so fun. And I prepared a smaller, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. These are 10 ounces. And then these ones are bigger. They're, I don't know, 12, probably 14. So usually I put black in a huge cup like this, but now I purposely did it in a 10 ounce so I can force myself to use less. Now this is the part that has to be stretched all across the canvas. Oh my God. This is the most fun and intriguing puddle I have ever poured. It's like every time I try it, it gets better and better. Let's just hope the result is also awesome. So I will be doing the split, except I'm gonna be using the blue, not the orange. Like that. And why not try with a little bit of the white? This is the scary part. And why not go with the gold? That's it, that's it. OMG, right? I'm feeling this side first to sort of like bring back the purple, and then do the same thing with the orange, and then like, yeah. Oh my God. I think I'm just gonna cover with the, yeah, there we go. I'm kind of scared about this thing here. I'm gonna know I need to calm down. I'm gonna give this a little bit of time, even though it's already changing like crazy. So this is about 2 hours later. I gave it a lot of time because of the amount of white that was underneath. I had a feeling it would change a lot in time, and the black did get sucked away way more than usual, and the white did do its thing. I'm laughing right now because this painting looks like the opposite from what I always say, which is that negative space is so important for the eyeballs. It is. But I also have to say that I think this is one of the most incredible fluid art paintings that I have ever poured. And there's hardly any negative space. It's extremely crowded, but it works. Let's go in for some details here. You can see the gold. I'm so happy I put the orange. This color palette is insane. I knew that the the magenta, blue, and orange would go so well together. And I followed my gut from the last painting with the blow dryer, and I mean, it's incredible. The edges are perfect too. I think there's like not an inch of this painting that I don't like, which is rare because there's usually a part of the painting where I don't usually say it on camera, but I don't necessarily like the whole thing. I can't believe how much stuff is going on. And a positive note here is that this is going in a dental office in a completely white room. So it will stand out. Okay, stay tuned for the dried result. Okay, this is my favorite area there. And here. I'm back with the almost final result. There's no varnish on it yet, and it's spectacular. This is the last painting in my 4-piece commission for the dental office in Miami. This is my favorite painting of the whole bunch for sure. You can check out the other videos that I did. They're in the most recent videos that I've posted on my channel. The purple and the orange. Oh my eyeballs. I really hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do, and have a great weekend. Bye guys.